Hi guys, it's Moz here from Moz6510 Models. We are a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. So, kit review time, and we are doing a Tiger model. It's the World War II US Navy F4U Corsair fighter Eggplane kit series number 01. This is the kit here. It's a cartoony style design of the plane. They are like the Eggplane series you get from Hasegawa. They are aimed for the younger modeler, say from around the ages of 10 and 12. So they're not really, they're really for those kids who have moved on from doing the quick builds, but you feel that just aren't quite there yet to start building like a basic airfix Spitfire. So you've got the artwork on the front. You have some bump on the side, plus they show off some other models that they do. On the side of the box, you've got the same artwork as you do on the front of the box. On the side, it shows you that it has a self-adhesive sticker kit, or it has a decal sheet for the kit. So you can decide which one you want to do, or the child could decide what they want to do. On the back, you have a call out, and it does go through the painting options. There's Tamiya, XFA, XF1, etc. And then it shows you a call out of where to put the decals or the sticker. World War II US Navy F4U Corsair fighter 1942 to 1945. So, top opening box. Let's have a look what's inside and what you get inside the box. So, very much the same as most of the other kits that you'll see in this series. They come basically on sprues with really big chunky location pins. This one here is mostly the engine cowl. You've got the tanks underneath. You've got a cockpit dashboard there, which looks quite nice, and also the seat for the pilot. On this one is the main body. You can see how chunky it really is. You've got the fuselage there, you've got the wings, you've got the tail bits there all together. It's very small, actually, if you think about it. It's a very small looking kit. If you can add that to the front of it, yeah, it's not looking too long. But as I say, it's very, very basic and very, very good for the real young builder who really is moved on from that Lego style sort of build to wanting something where a little bit of glue is needed and they can paint it. Again, I can't fault the canopies on these kits. This looks brilliant. Very, very crisp, very clear. You can see there, look at the reflection of the light on there. It is lovely. On the decal sheet, as I say, you've got two. If the child or whoever wants to build these and not too sure, you can either use the stickers, Tiger model stickers there, or you can use the decal sheet, and they are very, very well printed. And yeah, you're pretty much there with this kit. Comes with the instruction manual, nice and glossy. The parts there laid out clearly on their sprues. You have a nice call out there on what the colours are. Again, it's Tamiya colours, so I will suggest that you look into the colours, because Tamiya can be a bit of a mare to paint with, but it's also relatively easy because you probably have these in your kit, and if you're somebody who wants to use paint to brush paint them, you're absolutely fine. And then inside you have the complete instruction, piece by piece, cabin assembly, fuselage assembly, wing assembly. Then you have the canopy and the fuselage and wing assembly, engine and propeller, put the landing gear on, and then you can start to paint. And the wheel or the tyres in 3 sections. Okay. And there's the reserve tanks goes underneath. Then the canopy, you got part A and part B, and then the assembly is complete. And there you go. Here is the Corsair fighter by Tiger model Eggplane series number 1. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified on any new videos. Any comments, questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.